out the morning. Supposed to go do an install today. We've got a little piece of countertop to put in, but we gotta take Bulldog. Bulldog is at Lance's house, which is in the middle of a mud hole. So we got that and that and that. Now we're gonna take some wheelers down there, see if we can get him pulled out. We will either have it back here shortly, or we're gonna have a royal mess. It'll take most of the day, so we'll see what happens. But one way or the other, we gotta get it out today. So we'll see what we can do.
Through this tin.
You warn me before you do that.
It wouldn't be any fun, but it.
Well, it took me almost more literal than I meant when I said roll it up.
Packed in there. Cruz! Cruz! Alan! Alan! Alan!
Hey, I can drive! I can drive! What?
Probably means are pointed this way. That'll be a soft spot, but if we keep moving, should be able to get through there and then just curl up around and out the approach. Piney, you jump in there. Yeah, give it some gas, but don't spin.